The next topic is directional coupler. First is, what is a directional coupler? That is mainly used for a measurement purpose to small amount of microwave power को sample करने के लिए. And also we can design it. They can be designed to incident power. What is the value of incident power? Measurement of incident power, reflected power. If incident power is there, reflected power is there, then obviously standing wave ratios bhi hongi. Then we can also measure standing wave values through this directional coupler, or also provide a signal path to a receiver, or perform any other desirable operations. You can also perform to calculate how to calculate incident power, what is a reflection coefficient, that is also in terms of incident and reflection power. Are you getting my point? Why we use this directional coupler? All of you already
Yes.
seen in your lab what is directional coupler? देखा है सब?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there are two types. One is unidirectional and second one is bidirectional. First is unidirectional. In unidirectional, only incident power is there. That is only used to measure the incident power. That is a unidirectional directional coupler. Second is bidirectional. Bidirectional means both incident and reflected power जिसमें आप measure करते हो, that is a bidirectional. Now this one is your directional coupler. In this, it's a 4-port directional coupler, port 1, port 2, 3 and 4. These two are primary waveguides and that is secondary waveguide. Any question in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now second, this is PI, that is incident power. From port 2, PR, that is a received power. This one is PF, that is forward power, or we can also say coupled power. But from port 3, that is PB, that is called back power in terms of reflections. If there is any reflection, ideally we can say back power is 0. कि जो PB है उसकी वैल्यू 0 हो सकती है, but practically it's not possible. Some amount of back power is always there. कुछ ना कुछ back power की वैल्यू होगी. Is that clear? What is incident power? जो आप signal incident करोगे. Second, received power. Third is forward power. That is also called coupled power. And fourth one is back power. Now this one is your main waveguide. जो यहाँ से signal port 1 से 2 में जाएगा वो main waveguide है. This is called auxiliary waveguide, secondary waveguide. Main waveguide is your primary waveguide. Now next, properties of directional coupler. Very first property is all the ports or all the terminations are matched. सारे port perfectly matched है. What do you mean by perfectly matched or matched termination?
There is no reflection.
There is no reflection.
Yes.
That is the one property of directional coupler. Second is a portion of power travels from port 1 to port 2. कोई सिग्नल सेंड किया फ्रॉम पोर्ट 1 टू पोर्ट 2, और कहाँ ये सिग्नल जाएगा?
Ma'am, port 4.
It is also coupled to port 4 but not to port 3. Why? It is a bidirectional coupler. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Some signal is traveling from port 1 to port 2, also coupled to port 4 but not to port 3. That is a bidirectional coupler. Second is signal, or we can say some portion of power has traveled from port 1 to port 2, also to port 3 couple hoga, but not to port 4. Again, it's a bidirectional coupler.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a third property. First, these सारे perfectly matched termination है to all the ports. That means we can say P11, P22, P33, P44 is 0 because there is no reflection. Perfectly matched termination is there. Second, हमने पढ़ा कि हम जब सिग्नल सेंड करते हैं फ्रॉम पोर्ट 1 टू पोर्ट 2, that is also coupled to port 4 but not to port 3. Third is when some signal is traveled from 2 to 1 also to port 3 but not to port 4. These are the three properties. Next one is सिग्नल आपने इंसिडेंट किया सपोज टू पोर्ट 3, व्हाट विल हैपन? यहां से मैं कोई सिग्नल सेंड कर रही हूँ, अ पोर्शन ऑफ सम इंसिडेंट पावर, दिस सिग्नल इज coupled to port 2.
Yes, ma'am. Or port 1.
Not to port 1.
पोर्ट 4 में तो जाएगा ही।
हाँ जी,
Ma'am, port 4 में भी
जाएगा।
जा सकता है, that is a bidirectional. Now I am talking about unidirectional.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, some portion of power or incident power of port 3 to port 2 but not to port 1. Why?
मैम
Because
क्योंकि जो
हाँ जी,
मैम जो पोर्ट 3 है वो बैक पावर है इसलिए।
because port 1 and port 3 are decoupled. Decoupled means isolated to each other as port 2 or port 4. जैसे ये दोनों आपस में decoupled है, ऐसे ये दोनों आपस में decoupled है. So जो सिग्नल मैंने थर्ड पे भेजा वो 1 पे नहीं जा रहा, जो 1 में सिग्नल सेंड करेंगे वो 3 पे नहीं जाएगा. Is that clear?
यस मैम।
नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सेम वे हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर मैं कोई सिग्नल फोर्थ पे इंसिडेंट पावर सिग्नल सेंड किया तो ये सिग्नल कपल हो रहा है टू पोर्ट 1 बट नॉट टू पोर्ट 2, अगेन यूनिडायरेक्शनल. एंड सेकेंड, पोर्ट 2 एंड पोर्ट 4 आर decoupled फ्रॉम ईच अदर. दैट्स
Yes.
व्हाई जो पोर्ट 4 पे सिग्नल है वो सेकेंड पे नहीं जा रहा. इज दैट क्लियर?
यस मैम।
These are the properties of directional coupler. If any question is there, then you can ask me. And last one is, ideally we can say the output of port 3 is 0. But practically it's not possible. So small amount of power will be there, that is called back power, जिसे हम बोलते हैं reflection. So read these points. If any question is there, then you can raise your hand or unmute yourself. First is all the terminations are matched to the ports. Second is when the power travels from 1 to 2, some portion of it get coupled to port 4 but not to port 3. Why? Because port 1 and 3 are decoupled. This last point. In a similar way, as it is a bidirectional coupler, so when a power or a signal travels from port 2 to 1, तो इसका कुछ portion third पे couple होगा to port 3 but not to port 4. Why? Because port 2 and port 4 again decoupled. Is that clear? These two are the properties of unidirectional coupler. Now any question?
नो मैम।
That is a indicating power directional coupler. यही पढ़ा था हमने incident power. This one is your received power. Forward power, that is also called coupled power. And this is your back power.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there are some performance parameters are there of a directional coupler. Very first is directivity. Have you heard the word directivity?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होती है डायरेक्टिविटी? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव थ्योरी में भी सुना होगा. Yes.
ma'am.
Say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Write down the performance parameters. First one is coupling factor. First is coupling factor. I am writing here. It's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Second one is directivity. And third one is isolation. Coupling factor means all these factors tell us the performance of a directional coupler. What do you mean by coupling factor? What is the description of directional coupler? That samples the
Small amount of power.
small
microwave
amount
power.
of microwave power. Now, what is coupling factor? That tell us or measure how much amount of incident power is being sampled. कितना amount incident power का sample हुआ, that is called coupling factor. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, directivity means yes.
No, ma'am.
नो डायरेक्टिविटी मीन्स एक हम कहते हैं डायरेक्शन.
Yes,
अब जब मैंने कोई यहाँ से सिग्नल सेंड किया तो वहां से कोई सिग्नल बैक भी हो रहा है, दैट इज अ रिवर्स सिग्नल और वी कैन से रिफ्लेक्शन, रिफ्लेक्टेड सिग्नल.
ma'am.
डायरेक्टिविटी ने क्या करना है कि डायरेक्शनल कपलर, हाउ वेल द डायरेक्शनल कपलर डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द फॉरवर्ड एंड द रिवर्स सिग्नल, कि कितना सिग्नल आपका फॉरवर्ड हो रहा है, कितना सिग्नल रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो रहा है, दैट इज योर डायरेक्टिविटी. आइसोलेशन मीन्स that is used to describe or explain the directive properties of a directional coupler, कि कितना सिग्नल आपका आइसोलेट हो रहा है, बैक पावर कितनी है, इंसिडेंट पावर कितनी है. एंड आइसोलेशन इज द सम ऑफ कपलिंग एंड डायरेक्टिविटी. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes,
आई
ma'am.
एम अगेन रिपीटिंग. कपलिंग फैक्टर ने क्या करना है, कितना अमाउंट इंसिडेंट पावर का सैंपल हुआ उसने कपलिंग फैक्टर बताना. डायरेक्टिविटी बताएगा डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द इंसिडेंट एंड द रिवर्स सिग्नल, दैट इज अ रिफ्लेक्टेड सिग्नल, कितना सिग्नल फॉरवर्ड हुआ, कितना बैक हुआ. आइसोलेशन डिस्क्राइब द डायरेक्टिव प्रॉपर्टीज. So we can say isolation is equal to the sum of coupling and directivity. Now, how to calculate the coupling factor? First, it is a ratio of incident power to the forward power. यही definition थी कि how much amount of the incident power is being sampled, that is called coupling factor. तो C is equal to 10 log 10 Pi by Pf. Pi is your incident power, Pf is forward power, and it is expressed in decibels. Please note down this formula. That is a coupling factor. Yes, have you noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Second is directivity. That is the ratio of forward power to the back power. हमने यही पढ़ा, that distinguish or differentiate the difference between forward and reverse power, that is a reflected signal. So it's a ratio of PF by PB. The PF is your forward power, that is back power, कितना signal reflect back हुआ. And what is the formula of directivity? 10 log 10 PF by PB, again expressed in decibels. Done?
इनको डेसिबल्स में हमेशा मेजर करते हैं.
हाँ जी, आपने पढ़ा होगा डेसिबल्स. सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन में भी न्यूमेरिकल्स किए होंगे, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इन डेसिबल्स. पावर भी डेसिबल्स में आप कर सकते हो फाइंड आउट. पढ़ा है आपने नॉइस टेम्परेचर,
Yes, ma'am.
TB and TB1. Okay. Now third is isolation. That describes the directive properties of a directional coupler. And what is isolation? That is a ratio of incident power to the back power. 10 log 10 Pi by PB. Now, any question in these three formulas?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Assume for a typical directional coupler, C, that is a coupling factor is equal to 20 decibel. Please note down. And directivity is 60 decibel. I am again repeating, coupling factor is 20 decibel and directivity is 60 decibel. Then you can find out the value of incident power, forward power, back power.
Yes, ma'am.
First put करो coupling factor के formula में. C is 20. 20 is equal to 10 log 10 Pi by Pf. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you calculate the value of Pi by Pf from this equation?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बन जाएगा सबसे पहले? 20 by 10 is 2. 2 is equal to log 10 Pi by Pf. Now take anti-log. Anti-log of 2 कितना होगा?
Ma'am, 100.
100. So Pi by Pf is equal to 100. अगर किसी को नहीं क्लियर 100 कैसे आया है, you can ask me. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
कि बताऊं कैसे निकाला? एंटी-लॉग ऑफ किसका निकालना है? एंटी-लॉग 2 का, बेस इज 10, दैट इज इक्वल टू 10 raised to power 2. आ गया 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pi by AF, the ratio of incident power to the forward power कितनी आ गई? 100. Then what is the forward power from this formula, from this equation? That is Pi by 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write down this equation.
मैम ये स्टेप कैसे किया, रिपीट करना.
यहाँ से PF निकालो, Pi by 100 हो जाएगी from this equation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now directivity also given to you, that is 60 decibel. Now use this formula and find out PF by PB. Do it first. dB आपको decibels में given है, directivity that is 60. 60 is equal to 10 log 10 PF by PB. Then what is the value of PF by PB? Tell me. Take antilog of 6.
Ma'am, 10 raised to power 6.
Yes. PF by PB is equal to 10 raised to power 6. What about back power? You can calculate the value of PB from this. PB
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to, yes,
Ma'am, PF upon 10 raised to power 6.
and do you know the value of PF? That is Pi by 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Put here, that is equal to Pi by 10 raised to power 8 हो जाएगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Now observe it. Back power is equal to Pi by 10 raised to power 8. What is this? That means back power, that is PB, is very small. That is a multiplication of incident power with a 1 by 10 raised to power 8. So we can neglect it. Small power है back, that is a reflection. हम इसे neglect कर सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? What is back power? That is a reflection power. कितना सिग्नल रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो रहा है, तो वो कितना है? PB is equal to PI by 10 raised to power 8. So we can neglect it. और बैक पावर क्या है? जो आपका सिग्नल आउट हो रहा है फ्रॉम पोर्ट 3. Now any question in coupling factor, directivity and isolation?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And last, isolation in decibel is equal to coupling factor plus directivity. Done?
Done,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now next is two-hole directional coupler. Most important type of directional coupler, two-hole directional coupler. Two-hole directional coupler means directional coupler के अंदर two holes that are common between them. Again, it's a four-port directional coupler having two waveguides, that is primary and secondary. We can also say mean waveguide and auxiliary waveguide. You can see here. ये आपकी main waveguide है, that is a primary, and this one is secondary, auxiliary waveguide. But there are two holes that are common in between them. And the distance between these two holes is lambda g by 4. Lambda g is guided wavelength. You can also write it lambda by 4, quarter wavelength. सुना है आपने? Have you heard this term, quarter wavelength?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear है? Same है. 4 ports are there. That is a incident power, for reverse received power, forward power, that is coupled, and this one is back power. Port 1, port 2, port 3 and 4. Main waveguide, that is a primary, and this one is auxiliary waveguide. और इन दोनों waveguides के अंदर जो two holes हैं उनमें distance कितना है? That is lambda g by 4. अब हमने ये two holes क्यों किया in this? What is the purpose of this? Yes.
वेव इधर भी चल जाए उधर भी चल जाए,
हाँ जी,
वेव दोनों तरफ ट्रांसमिट हो जाए,
दोनों तरफ.
ट्रांसमिट हो जाए.
Your voice is not audible properly, Saurabh. आपने डायरेक्शनल
Ma'am?
कपलर पढ़ा? हाँ जी.
मैम इसमें आइसोलेटेड नहीं होंगे जैसे पोर्ट 4 और पोर्ट 2
कैसे
एक
नहीं
दूसरे
होंगे?
से?
माय क्वेश्चन है कि हमने जो टू होल्स यहाँ किए हैं बाय, what is the conclusion of simple directional coupler? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया. यस.
जो रिफ्लेक्टेड पावर हो रही थी हमारे पास मैम वो बहुत ज्यादा स्मॉल थी इसलिए हम उसे रिफ्लेक्ट कर देते
We can neglect it, but some amount of back power is there. उसमें कुछ बैक पावर थी, वो तो हमने बाद में अमाउंट उसका स्मॉल फाइंड आउट किया, देन वी कैन नेग्लेक्ट इट. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
यस
यस मैम.
अब यहाँ पे टू होल्स क्या है, क्यों है? टू अवॉइड द बैक पावर. That is the main requirement of this two-hole directional coupler. इसमें ऐसे ही इसकी designation की है, means design किया to implement it. Why? To avoid the back power. अब back power कैसे होगी? Back power means कि leakage हो रही है. How? We will check it. First is कुछ signal send हो रहा है from PI, that is a incident power. यहाँ से कुछ signal send किया, what will happen?
मैम वो पोर्ट 2 में जाएगा और पोर्ट 4 में जाएगा.
यहाँ से सिग्नल सेंड किया, वो इस होल में से पोर्ट 4 में भी चला गया.
यस मैम.
सेम वहां से ही इस साइड चला गया.
यस मैम.
यस और नो?
यस मैम.
ओके. अब इसे देखो, इसमें ऑब्जर्व करो कि हमने कुछ सिग्नल सेंड किया फ्रॉम पोर्ट 1. बोथ आर इन फेस at the position of hole 2. this one is hole 2 and ये आपका hole 1 है. यहां तक देखो सेम सिग्नल जा रहा था, वो सेम सिग्नल इधर भी चला गया और इस साइड भी चला गया. Are you getting my point? Both are in phase.
यस मैम.
तो ये सिग्नल आपका फॉरवर्ड पावर की जगह जा रहा है. तो यहाँ
Yes,
पे
ma'am.
क्या होगा, आपका सिग्नल एड अप होगा और एड अप होके वो सिग्नल किसे कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा, टू फॉरवर्ड पावर। आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग,
Yes.
वेट, एक सिग्नल यहां से सेंड हुआ, दिस वन इज योर वन पोल एंड दिस इज सेकेंड पोल, वो सिग्नल यहां से सेंड हुआ, दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द फॉरवर्ड पावर।
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
सिमिलर वे यहां से कुछ सिग्नल बैक हो गया, वो हमने अभी डॉटेड बनाया। व्हाट अबाउट वन होल दैट इज आल्सो टुवर्ड्स द फॉरवर्ड पावर। नाउ दीज
Yes.
टू आर इन फेज, देयर इज नो फेज, 0 डिग्री है। अगर ये सिग्नल पोर्ट 2 से, होल 2 से ऐसे जा रहा है, होल 1 से भी तो यही सिग्नल फॉरवर्ड की तरफ जा रहा है, दोनों
Yes,
सिग्नल
ma'am.
इन फेज है, दोनों एड अप हो गए और ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो गए फॉरवर्ड पावर। Are you
Yes, ma'am.
getting? Okay.
Yes.
Now, second is लीकेज आर नाउ आउट ऑफ फेज। यहां से फिर से कोई सिग्नल सेंड किया, अब क्या होगा देखो, इस साइड ऐसे गया सिग्नल,
Yes, ma'am.
इस साइड ऐसे आया, अब क्या
Yes,
होगा,
ma'am.
मैम अब आउट ऑफ फेज हो गए दोनों सिग्नल।
मीन्स वी कैन से आर आउट ऑफ फेज बाय 180 डिग्री एट द पोजिशन ऑफ फर्स्ट होल।
यस मैम।
Therefore, they cancel each other. ये दोनों आपस को कैंसिल कर देंगे। अगर ये कैसे है, सेकंड ऐसे है, they will cancel each other. तो back power is 0.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is our requirement. That's why we use two-hole directional coupler here. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the magnitude of the power depends on the dimensions of the holes. जो ये first और second hole है, इनकी dimensions के ऊपर depend करेगा। अब dimensions क्या है? मैंने बोला इन दोनों में difference कितना है? That is lambda g by 4. And all of you know what is the relation between frequency and wavelength?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
What is the relation?
Inversely.
हाँ जी,
इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल।
lambda is equal to
हम लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू c by f।
C
c
by
by f। अब इन दोनों में लैम्डा g by 4 का डिफरेंस है। मैंने बोला कि बैक पावर 0 होगी, क्यों? आउट ऑफ फेज ईच अदर थे, तो वो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर रहे थे। एंड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द पावर डिपेंड्स ऑन द dimensions ऑफ द होल्स, एंड थ्रू दिस वी कैन improve द डायरेक्टिविटी ऑफ द कपलर।
यस मैम।
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And second, lambda is equal to c by f. The frequency determines the separation of the two holes. ये frequency हमें क्या बताएगी कि दोनों holes में separation कितनी यूज करनी है। That is a fraction of the wavelength, because the separation between the two holes is lambda by 4 or lambda g by 4. Now, any question in two-hole directional coupler?
No, ma'am.
Question is, explain the working or operation of two-hole directional coupler. Now next is scattering matrix of a directional coupler. It's a 4-port waveguide junction. तो S matrix कितना होगा? 4x4.
यस मैम।
बना लो, write down this equation number 1, 4x4 matrix. S11, S12, 13, 14 up to last is S44.
ये मैम दोनों का ही है ना, टू होल का भी और डायरेक्शनल का भी।
Simple directional coupler.
ओके मैम,
ओके, उसमें भी आप लिख सकते हो, इसमें भी लिख सकते हो।
ठीक है मैम।
डन। अब फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या थी? All the terminations matched to the ports, means all the ports are perfectly matched to the directional coupler, means there is no reflection, because the characteristic impedance is equal to the load impedance. So 4 ports, and then we can say S11 is equal to 0, S22 is 0, S33 is 0, S44 is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
That is your equation number 2. Now next is symmetric property of scattering parameters, that is Sij is equal to Sji. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये ट्रू है कि नहीं, चेक इट. S23 is equal to S32, S13 is equal to S31, S24 is equal to S42, S34 is equal to S43, S41 is equal to S14. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note down, that is equation number 3. Done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is, ideally we say that back power is 0, that is the signal comes out of port 3 as 0. There is no reflection. Also, there is no coupling, means port 1 and port 3 are decoupled from each other. So we can say S13 is equal to S31 is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
don't.
ma'am.
That is equation number 4. कि जो आपका ये डायरेक्शनल कपलर, ये पोर्ट 1 है, दिस इज पोर्ट 3, इन दोनों में कोई कपलिंग नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई S13 और S31 is 0. Done?
Done,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Also, there is no coupling between 2 and 4. So S24 is equal to S42 is equal to also 0. Equation number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now modify your equation number 1 of S parameter or S matrix using equation number 2 to 5. Put all these values of equation number 2 to 5 in equation number 1 and modify your S matrix. Verify it with equation number 6. Done? Equation number 6 आ गई सभी की?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now use unitary, that is the identity property of S matrix. S into S conjugate is equal to I, identity matrix. तो equation number 6 ये S matrix आपने prove किया अभी, इसका conjugate लो, then identity matrix 4 cross 4 matrix. Any doubt up to this point?
No, ma'am.
Please note down.